John Healy, Australian politician. John Joseph O'Connor Healy, 19 March 1894 – 18 July 1970, was a member of the Queensland Legislative Assembly in Australia. Biography. Healy was born in Maryborough, Queensland, the son of John Edward James Healy and his wife Margaret Nee O'Connor. He was educated at St Mary's Convent, Uleva State School, Assumption College in Warwick and Nudgee College in Brisbane. On leaving school, he took up work as a clerk with the Queensland Railways in Warwick from 1908 until 1935. After politics, he was a clerk in the Queensland Public Service before being the private secretary from 1950–1956 to Paul Hilton, the Minister for Works in the Queensland Government. From 1956, he was once again working as a clerk, this time the Valuer General's Department. He retired in 1961. On 5 October 1921, Healy married Florence Mayarn and together had 2 sons and a daughter. He died in Brisbane in July 1970 and was buried in the South Brisbane Cemetery. Public life. After unsuccessfully standing for the seat of Warwick at the 1932 Queensland state elections, Healy, a member of the Labour Party, stood again 3 years later and this time was victorious. He went on to represent the electorate of Warwick for the next 12 years, only to lose to Otto Madsen of the Country Party in 1947. Healy was recommended by the Queensland Central Executive of the Labour Party to contest the seat of Roma at the 1950 Queensland state elections, but the Labour in Politics convention opted to endorse opponent J.D. Kane instead. References